Safelink versus TrueConnect 2025 Best Lifeline Phone Service. In 2025, Lifeline phone services help many people stay connected, but most people get this wrong by not comparing features. Safelink and TrueConnect are two of the most popular options. Safelink provides free smartphones and limited monthly data talk and text to eligible users. You won't believe what happens next. Plans vary by state, and some include rollover data or Wi-Fi calling. TrueConnect also offers free or low-cost phones with nationwide coverage and flexible data options. Unlike Safelink, TrueConnect frequently bundles additional perks like international calling minutes or hotspot capabilities. The surprising truth is that coverage and device quality differ between carriers. While Safelink has a slightly larger nationwide footprint, TrueConnect offers more generous plans in many states. So, which is best? If you prioritize wide availability, Safelink works well. If you want more data or extra features, TrueConnect may be the smarter choice. Ultimately, check your state's options, coverage, and plan features before deciding.